YouTubers, here we go again. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And you'll get one of these in no time. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Here we go. Let's see what's inside. And of course, you can check out what other goodies they have to offer. And, if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Pretty easy to do. We got Father's Day coming up. And let's see what this could be. Maybe a gift to him. Gift to yourself. Here we go. I finally got it cut open. Oh boy. I'm gonna have to pause you guys. Alrighty guys, it's out of the box. Coming from Greenworks. Life gets easier. Hope so. 12-inch string trimmer. I need those scissors again. So definitely check these guys out. And see what other goodies they have. But we're going to test this out. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a demo outside because we are in a heat wave. It is nasty out there, so I'd rather be inside today. A lot safer. Hold on one sec. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I had a text message I had to answer. But we are good. Should be alright for now. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Why aren't you opening? Thought this life was supposed to get easier. Alrighty. Dang it. At least you know this is secured. But come on, man. Get life easier for us. Oh. There we go. On the side, of course. In the grooves. Get out. Good thing. There we go. Voila. Hey, something green. What is this? 12-inch trimmer? String? Oh, it's warm. See, it's so warm outside. The box is warm. Get this out of the way. Alright, we got some goodies in this bag. I need room. I need a bigger table. I didn't think I was getting this though today. Put it to the side. Let's empty everything out first. And then start the assembling and showing what comes with it. I think we're empty in here. Yep, we are empty. Got that done. Got. Dang it. Alright, first things first, you get the battery, charger, Greenworks, lithium. Pretty simple. Look at this thing. Here's a charging base. Pretty cool. I think just pop this thing in here. Bada boom. Plug it into the wall. I think you can mount it too. So there's like a little screw. Take out. There you go. Squeeze this part top here. And then pull out. Always make sure you pull out. And then I got the goodies in here. It's in bag one. Got this thing. Probably for the spool. Here's a spool. Here's a handle. So this will be a nice Father's Day gift. Not sure what this is for. We'll figure it out. You got the manual. Tells you how to do it. You got the cover. This goes right where the weed whipper. Oh, don't let you fall. So I'm going to have to definitely pause you guys again in a few minutes. Once I figure this thing out. Uh-oh. I think somebody's at my door. That's my first time putting one of these together. So, oh, okay. Here we go. We got that from the top. You just gotta connect it right here. There you go. You gotta adjust it. Comes with a spool already. Here's a trigger. It's kind of cool. I like the color though. There you go. Alright, alright. So we got that somewhat installed. All the way down. There's a little weed whip. I'm not sure what kind of lining you need to buy. I'm sure it will tell you in the manual. Alright, we'll be right back once I figure out how to put the handle, and that's extra one I think, and then put the cover on. Be right back. Alright, YouTubers, after a few minutes later, look at this. We got all installed. Got that right here. I mean, you could adjust it. So, I mean, it all depends on how you like it. And then down here, this little guy goes there, that little prong. And then underneath, whoops. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed, but we'll figure it out. And then there's the screws. You got a 1, 2, 3. Then you pop the top to replace with an arrow and the side. So you squeeze it, you pop it, and you replace the spool. That comes extra. Or you can replace the cap. It depends on if that got damaged or not. And I believe you can order some more on the link down below too if you need extra spool. I think it got enough charge, so I don't need to charge it right now. But we could just turn it on for a minute. Like I said, it is nasty outside heat-wise, and not a good thing to be doing this type of work during the heat. Just gotta be careful connecting the battery. Make sure you don't whip your leg, because it does hurt. There we go, we're plugged in. Just gotta slide it through there. When it dies, just clip on that clip, push it down, and release. So really nice. And now, I mean, it's kind of hard to do, but we'll see. It's kind of hard to do. I could do it. There we go. Gotta push the button. Alright, it works. Yeah, buddy. Sounds good. Check them out. Greenworks on Amazon. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night.